Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am your Suresh. You are watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, due to some personal works and some reasons, I was unable to upload videos for the last 10 months. Okay friends, I am free now. I am back. I will be giving so many videos for you. Especially I am going to prepare videos for the aspirants of NEET who are going to attend the examinations in the month of September 2021. So friends, in this video, let's concentrate on the important bits which were asked in previous NEET examinations. So as the time is very crucial, just go through my videos and have recapitulation and try to get good marks and good rank in your NEET examination. I wish you all the very best for the aspirants of NEET 2021. Okay, let's get into the topic directly. Question number 1. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro, increase in mass from inside only, perception of events happening in the environment and their memory, and the last option, increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. The answer is option C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Next question. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for A. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution, and B. Reproduction, C. Growth and movement, D. Responsiveness to touch. Correct answer is option D. Responsiveness to touch. Biological organization starts with A. Cellular level, B. Organismic level, C. Atomic level, and D. Submicroscopic molecular level. And the answer is option D. Submicroscopic molecular level. And fourth question. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. A. Mangifera indica, B. Mangifera indica Carolus Linnaeus, C. Mangifera indica Linnaeus, D. Mangifera indica. Now the correct option is option C. Mangifera indica Linnaeus. Next question. Which of the following is against the rules of ICBN? A. Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. B. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. And option C. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. And option D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. And the correct answer is option D. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? A. The names are written in Latin and are italicized. B. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. C. Biological names can be written in any language. D. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name and the second is a specific epithet. Now the answer is option C. Biological names can be written in any language. Next question. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, International Congress of Biological Names, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and option D. Indian Congress of Biological Name. The correct answer is option A. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Biosystematics aims at A. The classification of organism based on broad morphological characters. B. Delimiting various taxa of organisms and establishing their relationships. Option C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. And option D. Identification and arrangement of organisms on the basis of their cytological characteristics. So the correct answer is option C. The classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. The book Genera Plantarum was written by option A. Engler and Prantl, option B. Bentham and Hooker, option C. Bessey, and option D. Hutchinson. Now the correct answer is option B. Bentham and Hooker. Linnaeus is credited with binomial nomenclature, theory of biogenesis, discovery of microscope, and discovery of blood circulation. Correct answer is option A. Binomial nomenclature. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called mononomial, vernacular, binomial, and polynomial. Option C, binomial. The term new systematics was introduced by Bentham and Hooker, Linnaeus, Julius Huxley, and A.P. de Candolle. The correct answer is option C, Julian Huxley. Match column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification and select the correct option using the codes given below. Now, the correct answer is option A. That means that belongs to Macidae family, and order is Diptera order, and class is Insecta, and phylum is Arthropoda. So the option A is right answer. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their family, order, division, and genus. Correct answer is option A, family. Which one of the following organisms is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to the international rules of nomenclature, and correctly described? Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. Felis tigris, the Indian tiger, well protected in Gir forests. E. coli, full name Entamoeba coli, a commonly occurring bacterium in human intestine. So the correct answer is option B, Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular taxonomic category? Tiger, Tigris species. Cuttlefish, Mollusca class. Humans, Primata family. Housefly, Musca order. So correct answer is option A, tiger, Tigris, because it is a species. Species are considered as real basic units of classification, the lowest units of classification, artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined in a absolute terms. Real units of classification devised by taxonomists. So correct answer is option A, real basic units of classification. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? Species, division, class, family. Correct answer is option A, species. Taxon is the unit of a group of taxonomy, species, and genus. Correct answer is option B, taxonomy. Sequence of taxonomic categories is class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, and species. Division, class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. Division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. So the correct answer is option C, division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, and species. The term phylum was given by Cuvier, Haeckel, Theophrastus, and Linnaeus. So the correct answer is option B, Haeckel. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is species, genus, order, taxon. So correct answer is option D, taxon. A taxon is a group of related families, a group of related species, a type of living organisms, a taxonomic group of any ranking. So the answer is option D, a taxonomic group of any ranking. Basic unit or smallest taxon of taxonomy or classification is species, kingdom, family, variety. Answer is option A, species. Static concept of species was put forward by de Candolle, Linnaeus, Theophrastus, and Darwin. Answer is option B, Linnaeus. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. So here correct answer is option D. Herbarium is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on sheets are kept. And key is a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa. And museum is a place having collection of preserved plants and animals. And catalog is a list that enumerates methodically all the species found in an area with brief description aiding identification. A label of herbarium sheet does not carry information on date of collection, name of collector, local names, height of the plant. And the correct answer is option D, height of the plant. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. Key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. Herbarium houses dried, pressed, and preserved plant specimens. Botanical gardens have collection of living plants for reference. So the answer is option A. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. One of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that they provide a beautiful area for recreation. One can observe tropical plants here. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm and they provide the natural habitat for wildlife. Now, the correct answer is option C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. Okay, friends, these are the most important questions which were already asked in previous examinations in different years. I think this video is very much helpful for you. If you like this video, please give your valuable comment and please share it to your friends. Thank you very much for watching.